Hey guys, welcome to Techie Content, and today we will compare and do some speed test between Moto G second generation and Moto E second generation. Yes, so let's get started. So hey guys, first of all we will do shutdown of the phone so it's clear, the RAM will clear. So let's shut down the both hero. So 1 2 3. So Moto G second generation shut down the first, and Moto E second generation was little bit slower than G2. So let's switch on again both of the heroes. So switch on. So for your kind information, Moto G second generation is running on Marshmallow and Moto E second generation is running on 5.1 Android Lollipop, and both have same amount of RAM, and Moto E second generation is 3G variant, so it comes with Snapdragon 200, and Moto G second generation comes with Snapdragon 400 chipset. So here you can see Moto G second generation loaded up first. So you can see, and it's also ready for use. So Moto G E second generation is still loading and look like it's also ready. So it is ready. Okay, so both of them are now ready, and here our doubt has been clear that in terms of switch on, Moto G second generation wins against Moto E second generation. So now let's do some test in running some apps. For example, first we are opening phone on both the Android devices. So here you can see Moto G second generation wins, and Moto E second generation loses also this time. Yes, Moto E second generation was little bit slow, but not more slower, like of 2-3 second difference. So all that thing. Now secondly we will do of opening Chrome. We will also do some speed test. So my Facebook is on there. So here you can see Moto E second generation this time boot up faster than Moto G second generation. So here Moto E second generation wins. So here you can see in terms of internet speed using and all that thing, Moto E second generation just win. Okay, so we will minimize it, and now third we will run messaging app. So that's running. Here Moto G second generation wins again, and time for camera. So let's open the camera. So here the camera app started earlier in Moto E second generation, as you can see, and Moto G second generation was quite bit slower than it. That's not massive difference between them. It was difference of 1 or half second. So here now let's just open WhatsApp. So here Moto G second generation boot up it's faster than Moto E second generation, and let's see how the both of the Android devices are best at their memory caching and saving. So opening Chrome. So here you can see Moto G second generation is loading again, and Moto E second generation has saved the memory of which the apps was minimized. So yeah, So here are the in terms of saving memory in the RAM and minimizing the app, Moto E second generation wins. So let's go in settings and let's see who wins. Sorry, the phone don't get it, so I will wipe out and clear out the RAM. So here Moto G second generation comes with 10,000 in your budget, and Moto E second generation is coming at 6,000 7,000 at your 3G 4G variants. So it is good Moto E second generation because it is competing Moto G second generation very good. And in terms of memory and RAM, I'm showing you memory. So in terms of memory, it using 79% of CPU, and performance normal, so free 186 MB, and in terms of memory it is 390 MB of free RAM. So you can see the massive difference between here, but I can say it's running on Marshmallow and it's running on Lollipop, so the system differs from it. So that was my video, so keep watching, and thank you guys for watching me again. And please subscribe, like and share if you like my videos. Thank you.